Only you can decide whether you could be doing something profitable with your spare time. You could click a few buttons and start receiving $5 to $10 directly in your PayPal account. Small amounts are often looked down upon, but when you maximize your free time, you'll surely rake $250 to $500 every day just by touching your phone screen. What a way to make money online in 2022! When looking for a side hustle that is completely accessible and flexible, answering polls to make money online as a beginner is your best bet. One of the perks is that they can be done by anyone, and you can start and stop whenever you want, thus making it faster for you to make money online. In today's video, I will execute the steps on how to monetize this website successfully with just your phone. Rather than sifting through many options on what money-making websites to register with, you can definitely stick with my suggested website. I highly suggest this platform because it fits well with everyone's demographic and availability. Registering with too many platforms can lead to contact overwhelm, making it difficult for you to find the best opportunities. It can definitely be a great supplement for your active income and make money with your phone. This method is totally free and can be done anywhere in the world. So keep your eyes peeled and ears perked up until the end of this video so you can make the most of your time and get right on to making money online as a beginner. Before we go further, welcome to the Online Money Girl channel. This is your online money girl, and I teach people all over the world the best and newest ways to make money online regardless of background and expertise. Here, we will go through ways to make money online with the latest cash-generating trends so that you can work on your own terms and go for that dream. Remember to subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and press the notification bell. You'll surely be on our list whenever we upload new content. If you love our videos, leave us a comment down below telling us what values you got from our content. A few moments from now, I'll be revealing this easy money-making website. Unlike other websites which require so much work to get started, this website is totally for beginners. This website is quite popular among Paul's platforms, but for those who haven't heard about it yet, it's my pleasure to help you out. Now, let me talk about the essential steps to get you started answering polls and make money online as a beginner. To begin earning online in this year 2022, first you have to sign up on enrollapp.com. EnrollApp is a user testing website that allows its subscribers to make money by testing websites. It helps companies and other website owners make decisions about their business, whether it's a simple feedback or clarifying content or just checking user interaction. On the EnrollApp homepage, click Register. You will then be redirected to a form asking for your email address and password. Don't forget to tick the boxes where you agreed with their terms and policies and click Enroll Now. A confirmation email will be sent to your email address, so check your inbox and confirm your account. Please note that you cannot log in if you skip this procedure. Once you're done with a quick verification process, you may now go back to the Enroll app page to sign in. Before you could fully proceed to the website, Enroll app will ask you for more details like your full name, PayPal account email, your country, and the languages you're fluent with. They also need your country code and phone number so that they can text you when you qualify for a test. This also helps them for the verification process. Please note that all the information you provide is private and secured as detailed in their privacy policy. While in the process of completing your profile, you will encounter a question about your availability. Because the more available you are, the more tests you can receive. Enroll app will send you tests once you're ready and available. They will also be needing details about your top job skills, hobbies, computer proficiency, and hours you spend on the internet. This is all to determine the frequency and type of polls they will send you. In the section of what devices you can test on, I highly suggest that you choose mobile, tablet, and desktop. Check them all because I want you to be versatile by means of gadgets to make the most of the tests. After your information has been smoothly gathered, they will approve your profile and you may now proceed to the dashboard. Now that you have officially joined Enroll app, there are a few things that you need to know while you're on board. First, they will send you tests. Enroll app will email you or display tests on your dashboard. Most tests have a limited number of seats, so the faster you get in, the better chance you have of leaving your feedback. Second, you have to increase your chances with poll questions. On the dashboard, Enroll app will send you fun and sometimes more serious questions to get to know you better. This will help them send you the right tests. And third, you should answer as truthfully as possible. Enroll app tailor fits poll questions for you, so you have to give them honest answers. Real businesses want to know what you think. Now listen, there are a few things I want to show you in this video that will help you double or triple your money using a trick that I discovered after working on this website, so keep watching closely. The first thing you'll notice on your dashboard is that you can see polls and how many poll questions you've responded to. These polls will let you respond with yes, no, or with multiple choices. After answering, the site will let you know how you've stacked up. This is a statistic telling you how many people have answered to each responding choice. Just click Continue to proceed to another poll. As you complete more polls, your responses will add up. Let me remind you that to make more money, it's critical that you answer more polls. Also, the more poll questions you answer, the easier it is for this website to match you with the most appropriate projects based on your demographics and hobbies. Stay tuned for the remaining few minutes because this is where I'll finally talk about the few remaining steps to get that extra cash and make money online with your phone. Also, keep your eyes glued on the screen and listen well because I want you to do it correctly. Before we get to the most exciting part of the video, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you're getting value from it so far, leave us a sincere comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. So let's hurry up and make more money online. Moving on to the following tip, when you click on Achievements on the upper left corner of your dashboard, you'll be taken to a page where you can monitor your progress. Since this is your first mission, all I ask of you right now is to take as many polls as you can and be active. You must log into your account every day in order to gain bonus points and money. You can definitely do it for 30 days in a row, spending only 5 minutes every day. The more polls you answer, this green dot over here will progress from left to right. Plus, you'll earn your very first badge. If you scroll down a little, here are all the badges you may gain. And again, the more badges, the more points. Now, there's one more essential thing you need to set up if you want to make 3 times as much money. Give this your full attention when you log into your account. Under your profile icon on the upper right, click Test Preferences, and you'll be sent to this screen. Right here on the devices that you can test on, I'd like you to select all 3. Mobile, tablet, and desktop. I've mentioned this during the start of our video, but I'd like to emphasize this tip. The more devices you choose to optimize, the more polls you can answer. This is how you can efficiently monetize Enroll app. For testing availability, please choose Send Me Tests as soon as possible. They'll send you more tests on your account as well as email test notifications. I want you to gain the upper hand to access all the obtainable opportunities. Lastly, don't forget to validate your phone number to receive SMS notifications. To check your balance, head on to Financials. Here, you'll gain access to your total balance, payout balance, and payout date. It's also easier to get paid with Enroll app because once your current balance exceeds $1, you can cash out anytime. All payments will be sent through your PayPal account. And that's how you can make extra dollars from answering polls and make money online with your phone as a beginner in 2022. Now that you've realized your earning potential at Enroll app, you can now begin your money-making journey after this video. If you find this content helpful and interesting, let us know in the comments below after hitting the big like button. Also, smash the subscribe button and the notification bell because we'll keep you posted for similar legit money-making vids. I truly appreciate you joining me until the end. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next one.